circumcenter O and perimeter 9 units. So perimeter 9 units means side length will be 3. If we fold the paper in such a way that each of the vertices ABC gets identified with O, then area of the resulting shape in square units is. Dear all, we are given an equilateral triangle. That means all three sides are equal, and also circumcenter can be centroid also, can be orthocenter also, can be in center also, depending upon our requirement. Now, this is how the diagram could be. Here I have drawn this triangle ABC and all these are medians. I will rather like to call this circumcenter as centroid because they are same for equilateral triangle. Okay, so if it is centroid, the ratio here would be 2, ratio 1 here. Now if I want to fold the paper such that this A comes at O, then definitely my folding should be about the midpoint of AO. Let me call this point as J. And also this folding should be about the line that is perpendicular to AO also. So this dotted line is actually the perpendicular bisector of AO. So this J point will be such that AJ will be equal to JO and this will be equal to OD. Okay, so actually you can see this entire altitude or median will be actually divided into 3 equal parts: AJ, JO, OD. Okay, now let me show you how folding will be done. If I fold this A about this folded line, I think this is how my new figure will be. So this is what I have tried to show here. This portion will be deleted. Okay, and it will be coming to this O here. And as I told you, this A and this J and this is D, AJ, JO and OD, they all are equal. Okay, so this height of this triangle, let me call this as maybe XY here. So for the triangle AXY, the height will be 1/3 of this bigger triangle ABC. Okay, one more thing, because this is perpendicular bisector of AJ, perpendicular bisector of AO, so this XY will be parallel to BC. So this triangle AXY will be similar to triangle ABC, and the ratio of similarity will be 1:3 because this AJ is 1/3 of the AD. So because as I told you, this perimeter is 9, side length of equilateral triangle is 3, so this AY will be 1, then this will also be 1 similar to that, and this will also be 1 here. So what you can see that this is the figure for which we have to find the area, and you can see it is just devoid of the 3 triangles like AXY, which is also similar to bigger triangle ABC. So my required area will be actually area of triangle ABC minus 3 times triangle, 3 times area of triangle AXY, because AXY has ratio 1:3 with ABC. I think this area of triangle AXY will be equal to 1/9 of triangle 1/9 of area of triangle ABC. Why I am saying 1/9? Because ratio of the corresponding side length is 1:3. So area should have ratio 1:9, because for to find the area I have to multiply side 2 times. So 3 into 3, 9, it will be like this. So here it will become area of triangle ABC minus 1/3 area of triangle ABC. So it is actually 2/3 of area of triangle ABC. And let me write the area of triangle ABC, which is equilateral triangle, so I can use the formula √3/4 into side square, and side of triangle ABC was 3, so 3 square here. So this 3 will cancel this 3 square 3 times, this 2 will cancel 4 2 times. So if I write answer here, it will be 3√3/2. So my answer for this has to be C. Okay.